What do you do when you see the same setup happening over and over again? Well, you just trade it straight away like I did here, and I got a very nice profit. Now let me explain you the setup and also show you the trade. So today we are looking at another opportunity on Bitcoin US dollar on the 15 minutes time frame. What we are using today are two indicators, the Breakout Pivotal Bars and the Sentiment Index. If you want to try them for free yourself, you find the link in the description down below. So the Breakout Pivotal Bars is the one that is coloring the bars. So if you see the candles here, which are either green or red, those are not the original colors of the candles, but they are the colors overridden by the Breakout Pivotal Bars. If I hide the indicator, you see that they have different colors. If I unhide the indicator, you see that the colors are the candles are either green or red depending on the indicator. So what the Breakout Pivotal Bars tells us is whether a breakout, so a break up or a breakdown, is valid. So we want a break up to have a green candle, we want a breakdown to have a red candle. The second indicator that we are using is the sentiment index, which, well, as the name suggests, tells us the sentiment of the market, the sentiment of the participants of the market. So the sentiment could be either bullish or bearish. So it's bullish if it is green above here, and it is bearish if it is red down here. But not only we have an indication of whether the market is bullish or bearish, but we also have an indication of whether this sentiment is trending up or is trending down. So we might have a bullish market with an uptrending sentiment, like in this case. So the sentiment is increasing, it's a bullish sentiment and it is increasing. On the other hand, we might have a bullish sentiment but which is decreasing, and same applies of course for the bearish sentiment. So the setup right here is very simple. So what we have on the Bitcoin US dollar is generally an uptrend, is a pretty gentle uptrend, but it is still an uptrend. And as you can notice, we have impulses, and then we have kind of consolidations. Let me draw this for you. Okay, this is a consolidation. And then we have another impulse, and then we have another consolidation, and then we have here, and then we have another impulse. And again, it's very simple, guys, very simple. So it always happens, just like this. So it's another consolidation, and then what we got is another impulse, and we have another consolidation here. So let's see if I can do it. Okay, this is another consolidation. And it looks like this, more or less. Okay, so impulse, consolidation, impulse, consolidation, impulse, consolidation, impulse, consolidation. And guess what happens next? Impulse. So we are looking to buy this breakout, but it's not we cannot use just the Breakout Pivotal Bars, because on some occasions we might have a false breakout. So it looks like the price is breaking up, but in fact it is a false breakup. So we need to have an extra confirmation. So what do we use for the extra confirmation? Well, the sentiment index. And as you can see in the past, so this very setup that I'm explaining right now, that is going probably, hopefully happening right now, It has happened 1, 2, 3 times in the past, in the recent past. So if you can see here, we had a breakout here with a breakout here. We had another one here, okay, and a third one here. So you just draw the trend and then it breaks. Okay, sorry, this is not really precise, but you get the idea. Oh, this is okay. This one is the candle. So yeah, it is correct. So this one is the breakout candle. Then we have another impulse and a consolidation. So we are looking for a breakup here, somewhere here. So what we do is that we design a trend here, okay, and we just wait. We just wait for a breakup with a green candle, and we just wait for a breakup in the sentiment index, in the bullish sentiment index. If and only if this happens, then we have an opportunity. So let's see what happens. Okay, we have a breakup. We have a breakup which is a valid breakup. As you can see, the candle is green. The consolidation is actually like this, because you need to carefully follow the consolidation. Maybe you initially draw something like this, and then you get a candle which retraces, so you just follow the consolidation to be sure that you draw a consolidation to stay within the consolidation. All the price action must be within your trend lines, and you want to look for a break up in this case, which means that the candle must close above your trend line. That is a breakup, and in this case it's green, so it is okay. And as you can see, also the sentiment index broke up our trend line, so it means that there is a very bullish impulse to the upside. So we are expecting another impulse to the upside of the same length of this one. So we start by taking this impulse, the length of the last impulse, and we project it to the upside. Okay, so that one is going to be our target. Let's see if I can. Okay, it's going to be up here. So the trade looks like this. We enter the trade here. Our stop loss will be just below our consolidation, because I mean, this is, you must remember that this is an impulsive movement. So the chances are, since it is a valid impulsive movement, the chances are that this is going to move quite rapidly to the upside, and it will not stay for much long in this area right here. Of course, we cannot predict, we cannot be sure 100% of the times, but as you can see, it happened in the past 1, 2 times, 3 times, so why not the 4th time? I mean, it happens every day on every time frame, on almost any pair, so it's always the same. So the trade looks like this, and we are ready to enter the trade. If the price moves here, we are into the trade. Let's see what happens. I must admit, this is pretty remarkable. I mean, in less than 2 hours, it went straight up to target. It doesn't happen every day. It usually takes a bit more time, like maybe 4, 5, even 10 hours, considering that we are on the 15 minutes time frame. But when you have this kind of impulsive movements, it might go straight up within one candle. So it's good. I didn't expect it to be this fast considering the past movements, but it's better. So we had a total of 2.8x return, so it's almost a 3x return, which means that we could even potentially lose the next 3 trades, almost 3 trades, and still be profitable. So it's great. It's a great performance, even considering the fact that it was achieved within 2 hours. If you did like the video, make sure to give it a thumb up, make sure to subscribe as well, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.